Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a high resolution with high FPS animation in Python. So let's start. So I will do this in Google Colab, sorry, in Jupyter Notebook. So first thing that I have to do is I have to import all the important libraries that I want and make sure that you already installed FFmpeg, because if you doesn't install it, video file will not be able to create. You can check out the link in description to download it. Now let's first import our all the important libraries. Import numpy np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and import from matplotlib dot animation, import function animation, that is fancy animation, it's function animation. Okay, now first thing that I have to create is a graph. Okay, that is basically static images. After that I will change the values and I will go to the animation. Let's see. So I will type fig. So fig is basically that thing. For example, if you see this whole thing, you see this white canvas, this is called fig. Now this black line x and y axis, this is called axis. So fig is the canvas and x is the axis. Okay, plt subplots fig dot set. So basically I'm defining what is the size of it. So set size 90, 20, 500, so divide by 100, and 1080, 1080 divide by 100. X go to mp dot line space 0 comma 10 comma 100. So basically I'm saying, hey, that my graph will be plot 0 to 10 and 100. There are 100 points within. Okay, so this is what the x means. Y equal to np dot sine. What graph I'm plotting? Sine. So x is basically the value and y are the basically my sine graph. So line. So this basically what we'll do, whatever the data I am getting, it's in point form. So it will, the line basically will do, it will draw the line by connecting all those points. X dot plot x comma y, x dot set x limit, uh, 0 comma 10. So basically what I'm defining is the limit. What is the limit of the x-axis? It is 0 to 10. In my case of y-axis, it is minus 1 to 1. Okay, I will copy this, enter. This is the y limit and it is near about minus 1 to 1. Now I will define the name of x-axis and y-axis. So x dot x label, x-axis, x dot set y label, y-axis, x dot set title. So what will be the what is the title of the graph? You can set it. Let's say sine wave tutorial. Sine wave tutorial. You can give it name as per your requirements. Normally we have to use mine. Okay. Now what you need to do next? So we have to define a function first. So this function basically create different kind of graph when the value will change. Okay. So def animate frame line dot set y data and b dot sign. So I'm updating my what data? Y axis data. X plus frame divide by 10, and I will return the what line. Now how much FPS I want in my animation? 30. How many frames do I want in my animation? 300. So if you want to calculate the length of the video, divide frame with the number of FPS. In my case, the value will I get 10. So I will get 10-second video animation. So now I will type animation equal to function animation fix the function that I've created, how many frames in the function, interval is 1000 by FPS, and be equal to 2. For those who don't know what are these, check out blog link in description. I have explained everything there. Now I want to save this animation. So what I will do, I will type animation dot save. So what is the file name that you want to save? Let's say tutorial dot mp4. mp4 is the format, and I will type writer. So writer is something that basically convert your image files into a video files. So basically when this function will run, it will create number of frames images. Okay, that's data change as per this animate function. And what I want all these image in such a way, line up that it will create animation. And to create this animation, I'm using a file called ffmpeg. So this will convert that image files into a video. I have also defined what is the fps I want. Fps equal to fps. Make sure fps value is same for both of them, else you will face issues. After that, I will type plt.show, basically means show the graph. I will press Ctrl S and click on run. The file I think will create here. Yeah, this is tutorial file. Remember, I saved tutorial. I can't open it till until this fully completed. So yeah, it's complete. So I will right click, click on revealing file explorer, double click on it, and you can see the animation. Okay. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt or queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.